my first counting book. One little puppy, a roly-poly puppy, alone as he can be. Isn't there a boy or girl who wants to play with me? Two little woolly lambs looking for their mother. Two little woolly lambs, a sister and a brother. 1, 2, 3. Mother horse and daddy horse are proud as they can be, because they have a baby horse, and baby horse makes 3. 4. 4 furry purry kittens look alike because each furry purry kitten has 4 white paws. 5. Baby finds 5 cabbages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, near the garden wall. Bunny sniffs 5 cabbages, and Bunny wants them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First they were eggs. Now they are chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Waddle, 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 the baby ducklings go, waddling after mother duck, 7 in a row. Swish, swish, 8 fish swimming in the brook. Swish, swish, wise fish swimming past the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And none of them are eating that worm, are they? High in the sky, in the shape of a V, how many wild geese can you see? Hurry and count them as they fly. You will see 9 geese, and so will I. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many nuts did you find, little squirrel, looking high and low? Chitter, chatter, what's the matter, don't you know? Little squirrel, I'll tell you then. Little squirrel, you found 10. There's a squirrel. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got the 10. Let's start over again. 1 little roly-poly puppy. 2, 1, 2 lambs. 3, 1, 2, 3 horses. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 kitty cats. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cabbages. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chicks. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ducks. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fish. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 geese. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 acorns. The end. And we ended with a kitty cat.